Try and move this and do it quickly so that it didn't start to get stressed out. It's been out of the ground for about a minute and a half, and it's already looking like it wants to be back in the ground. So this is an eggplant. It's a volunteer. I'm going to move it over there into the new greenhouse, and we're going to see what happens. Check it out. We're here in the new greenhouse, and there's the eggplant. Yeah, she's looking like she's parched. I got to get her in the ground really quick, but I want to show you the soil. This is, kind of part of the oldest part of my garden, and as such, it's really got some rich soil. You can decide whether or not you think wood chips make good soil, for your needs. Um, they didn't turn the dirt below into something that it wasn't. The dirt's still down there acting like dirt. But what we have is above that dirt, the wood chips have become humus. They went well past compost and now they're humus. And that's why I'm actually certain that I can revive this thing. Well, I'm reasonably certain that I can. It's only been out of the ground for about 10 minutes. It's about to go back in the ground and get watered in. I recently moved that dragon cayenne over there, and I moved that to jalapeno, and they are doing pretty well. So they drooped their leaves for a couple of days. And now they're kind of picking them back up. So fairly certain they're going to make it. But let's see how this goes. She's coming out of it. Leaves are picking up. I watered it. I got it planted in there, tamped it in there nice and gently. It's actually got, well, a family member to the right. There's two plants, two more eggplants over there, but they've been around a while, so I'm not sure how much longer they'll last. They're considerably older, and this guy right here is really only, it was born late in the summer. So, well, gosh, we're gonna find out whether or not the flowers that it has. See if we can see them. Yeah, there's some flowers on it. We're gonna find out whether or not the flowers that it has are gonna turn into fruit. I mean, I'm always willing to give it a good college try. Here in Greenmoreland, we have the space to do this, and we'll certainly have the heart to give it a try. But you're going to get a little bit of lactic acid bacteria, some fish hydrolysate, and a little bit of water for the next couple of days. They'll be treated with love, kid gloves, and we'll see how they do. Hopefully, I can report back seeing that they've got some eggplant on them. Not even sure if that one will make, but this plant is stronger, so let's see what happens.